Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you add a WhatsApp chat system on your WordPress website. Visitors will land on your website and click on chat with us. After they click on chat with us, the department they want to chat with will appear. So you can set it as a technical support department, billing department, sales department. You can have different departments with different WhatsApp numbers connected to that. So we click on the support department and this will take you to WhatsApp. Because I have WhatsApp installed on my PC, I'll be able to chat with the website owner directly on my PC. But if they don't have WhatsApp installed on their PC, they can only chat with you on their mobile devices. So let me show you how it works. After I click on the support department, it takes me to WhatsApp. So what I'll do is to enter whatever I want to, the support I need here. So I need help, which will be pre-filled for us, and this is done at the back end of our website. You can enter a pre-defined text here. So the simple click on the send and the message will be sent to you as the website owner or the department. Okay, and you will be able to also add your WhatsApp number at the back end so that they'll chat with you directly. My name is Solomon and showing you how to add a WhatsApp system on your website. If you're excited, let's get the tutorial started. Okay, continuing with the tutorial, this is my website without WhatsApp chat. All we need to do is to go to the back end of our website and then go to plugins. We want to add a new plugin. And today the plugin I'll be sharing with you is WhatsApp Chat WordPress, which is a premium plugin developed by Ninja team. Don't worry, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you huge sale, which means you'll be paying somewhere less than $10 to get this plugin. I have the plugin already, so don't worry. Now all we need to do is to download this plugin, purchase and download this plugin onto our PC. So after we have it on the PC, you want to upload the plugin. So you click on upload plugin and then choose your zip file. You see the file as zip, and this is how it will look. So make sure you select that and click on install. The plugin has been installed. We have to activate it. So we click on activate plugin and it has been activated. Guess to your left you see WhatsApp menu. Please hover on that and click on all accounts. When you go to all accounts, here you have an empty account. Okay, just because I created this account doesn't mean you see something like this. All right, so you have something like this empty account. Please add new account. After clicking on add new account, you see the add new account page. So you give your account name. If you have different departments for your website, then you can put that here. So here will be technical department. So technical department. Okay, department. Okay, so we have technical department, the billing department, sales department, other departments. So you do that for your departments. This is my technical department and I'll assign my WhatsApp number to it. But make sure you add your country code, which is +233, and you add your country, your mobile number. So 24. This is my WhatsApp number. And I'll add my title. So here you can repeat this. So let's just copy this and paste it here as technical department. Your predefined text, enter something like I need help. I need help. Okay. Scroll down. You can style your button. Okay. But WhatsApp has this blue color. Okay. WhatsApp is always green. So we know WhatsApp to be green. So you leave it as that. If you want square, you can put it. If you want rounded, you can put that. Your text color, you can select. So go ahead and play with this. Okay, you can leave it as always online, or if you're available for a certain period of time, you can select that here. Okay, but me, I'm leaving it as always online. Make sure here you select your department image, and here I have my own picture here as my department image, and I'll publish. Good, I've published that account. You can add another account for technical department and the rest. After you are done with that, make sure you go to settings. Now, if you have a WooCommerce website, I mean shopping website, make sure you enable this so that WhatsApp chat will be added to your product pages. Okay, and after that you select the department we get created, which is technical department, and don't forget to save the changes. Okay, so save the changes. Okay, you can go to analytics and then enable Google Analytics, and if you have Facebook pixels, enable that and save the changes. And the last one, we have WordPress URL. Just leave it as API. Okay, leave it as it is and save changes. All right, the last thing is going to floating wizard. This is what will enable our website display the icon, the WhatsApp icon on our system. So you go to floating wizard. Make sure you select your accounts created here. So you select the technical department once again, and then that is it. So you go to the design, and then we can design this icon. Okay, we can design it, and already we have it displayed just at the right hand side of our screen. Okay, and you have display settings. If you want to display it on desktop, you enable. You can also display it on mobile. Okay, just leave it as it is. All right, now if you want to display the WhatsApp chat on certain pages, you can select this, show on these pages. So you select this. Because I have one page on this website, it's just a demo website. I have one page, so you be able to display on these pages, and you select all pages. Okay, if you want to display on certain pages, you can also choose show on all pages except, and you select that. So that means it will not be displayed on those pages selected. All right, after that you save the changes and then go back to your website. When you go to your website and refresh, hopefully we should have it displayed on our website, and here we are. And when we click on this icon, we have technical department, and when you click on technical department, it takes you, or it will take them to, and this the predefined text we entered. Okay, and then continue to chat, and then use WhatsApp web. Because it's on desktop PC, that's why you are seeing this, but on mobile device it will send them straight to WhatsApp. Your number will be displayed and they will start chatting with you straightforward. Okay. Okay, so this is my number displayed. So when they send a message, it will come to me or you as the website owner straight away. Okay, so this is now the deal. When you click on the link in the description, you will land on this page. Okay, let me send you back. You land on this page. You can simply search for WhatsApp and that plugin will be displayed, or you go to the button of the page and you click on WhatsApp chat WordPress, and this is the plugin. I purchased it, so I'm giving it away to you people for just less than $10. So you purchase this plugin and have it emailed straight away to your inbox and you install it. Okay, if you think this video was valuable, consider subscribing to my channel, enable all notifications, that way you never miss another update from my channel. Thank you and have a lovely day.